Ever pondered the intricate labyrinth of the digital world and wondered how to navigate its shadowy corners? Or perhaps the term ethical hacking has piqued your curiosity. Buckle up as we embark on an enlightening journey into the heart of cybersecurity. Ethical hacking, a term that seems contradictory at first, is a vital cog in the wheel of cybersecurity. To put it simply, it's the practice of testing and probing systems to identify potential vulnerabilities. Think of ethical hackers as the digital world's immune system, constantly on the lookout for harmful intrusions. But how does one become an ethical hacker? The first step involves gaining a comprehensive understanding of programming languages. Proficiency in languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++ can be the key that unlocks the door to ethical hacking. Next, it's crucial to familiarize oneself with different operating systems, especially Linux, which is often the go-to choice for ethical hackers due to its open-source nature and robust security features. After getting a handle on programming and operating systems, the aspiring ethical hacker must dive into the world of networking. Understanding how data travels across networks, the protocols involved, and how to manipulate them can provide invaluable insights into the inner workings of the digital realm. The fourth step ventures into the territory of databases and how to secure them. Ethical hackers must understand SQL and how to prevent SQL injections, a common method employed by malicious hackers to exploit database vulnerabilities. Lastly, one can't overlook the importance of mastering cybersecurity tools. Tools like Wireshark for network protocol analysis or Metasploit for penetration testing are essential arrows in an ethical hacker's quiver. But ethical hacking isn't just about technical skills. It requires a mindset, a keen eye for detail, and a relentless curiosity. It's about upholding the integrity of systems, protecting data, and ensuring that the digital world remains a safe space for all. Now, to recap the key points about ethical hacking and cybersecurity. 1. Ethical hacking is a practice that involves probing and testing systems to identify potential vulnerabilities. 1. Proficiency in programming languages and familiarity with various operating systems are vital first steps. 1. A firm grasp of networking and database security is essential. 1. Mastery of cybersecurity tools is a must-have skill. 1. Beyond technical skills, ethical hacking requires a keen eye for detail, relentless curiosity, and a strong ethical framework. So, as you journey through the vast expanse of the digital universe, remember that ethical hacking isn't just about breaking into systems. It's about safeguarding the integrity of the digital realm, one line of code at a time. And who knows, perhaps in this intricate dance between security and vulnerability, you might just find your calling.